Kanyo ni Jatend Piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto odiochieng' mano makawuono ne omi Luor Makende kod piny mano mar Kazakhstan e kinde mabende ne ochopo e pinyno mano mar timo limbe mare kendo keto osiep mano makare mar neno ni dongruok obedo e kind pinje ariyogo. Ruto ne owacho ni obiro tiyo kod osiep maket koda mano mar kelo dongruok e pacho kae kaachiel kod piny mano mar Kazakhstan.
As the first president of Kenya to make a state visit to Kazakhstan, I come here with a clear message that Kenya is committed to elevating our partnership to a new era of strategic cooperation, shared prosperity, and enduring friendship. Though our nations are separated by geography, we are united by the common aspiration of peace, sustainable development, economic transformation, respect for international law, and a multilateral system that serves all nations fairly and equally. Our engagement today reaffirms not only the resilience of our relationship since the establishment of diplomatic ties in 1993, but also our shared determination to shape a future defined by opportunity, innovation, and mutual progress. In a very sincere way, I want to thank President Tokayev for his gracious invitation and steadfast commitment to strengthening the bonds of friendship between our two countries. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, President Tokayev and I have held candid, very constructive and highly productive discussions aimed at deepening cooperation across a broad array and range of strategic sectors. Together, we reviewed the state of our bilateral relations and agreed on practical measures to unlock new opportunities for trade, investment, innovation, and regional connectivity.